Hi, I'm Alessandro Bernardi, a professional colorist, retoucher and trainer, and I'm excited to introduce MTC Density, the revolutionary new Photoshop plugin from the MindtheColor family. And trust me, when I say revolutionary, I mean it, because with MTC Density, for the first time ever, you can correct the images using color density and adjust the saturation and hue through subtractive corrections. Now, this way of working is totally different from the usual one, and that's why I created a video to show you through many practical examples how to make the most of this incredible plugin. You will be able to recreate the iconic analog film look and achieve stunning results with the one adjustment layer. And trust me, I'm not exaggerating when I say that in over 30 years of using Photoshop, I've never seen anything like this. Okay, that's all I have to say for now. Visit the MindtheColor website, watch the video, and get ready to take your images to a whole new level with MTC Density.